Hello everybody. Today we will show some questions about the traditional tour in San Agustin. We start with the Museo Precolombino Villarreal. Number 1. In what year was the Museo Precolombino Villarreal founded? The Museo Precolombino Villarreal was founded on June 8, 1996 by Rosiverio Sotelo and Libardo Sotelo Meneses. Its purpose was to protect, exhibit, and disseminate important elements of the Augustinian culture. Number 2. What elements of the Augustinian culture are found in the Museo Precolombino Villarreal? There are ceramics such as funerary urns, alcarazas, cups, bowls, etc. Also plates, cayanas, pots with moldings and tripods. You can also see many tools of monolithic sarcophagi and sarcophagi in wood. Number 3. Could the Museo Precolombino Villarreal have types of lithic tools? Yes, it has some like chisels, beretones, scrapers, axes, a small sample in fossils and artifacts in stone, intervened by man or carved by nature itself. The next is the Parroquia Nuestra Señora de Lourdes. Number 1. What architecture has the Parroquia Nuestra Señora de Lourdes? It has a colorful architecture and its interior is lined in Rococo. It has an altarpiece with a crucified one and also the processions are carried out in the Mayo Creek. Number 2. Where is the Parroquia Nuestra Señora de Lourdes? It's located in San Agustin in the neighborhood Lourdes, Street 1, number 10 and 11. Number 3. What is the mission of the Parroquia Nuestra Señora de Lourdes? The mission is the evangelization of all its parishioners. It has been developing with great enthusiasm. It has been developing with great enthusiasm activities with families that are incorporated again to the practice of the sacraments and their Christian life. The next is the Museo Etnográfico El Tablón. Number 1. How many litho sculptures are in the Museo Etnográfico El Tablón? It's integrated by 5 litho sculptures which are very well preserved. Your current location doesn't correspond to the original site where they were found. Also, it's an ethnographic museum that has several sculptures that represent the history and culture of an ancient people that disappeared. Number 2. Which is the collection of ethnographic objects of the Museo Etnográfico del Tablón? It's made up of a collection constituted 80% by ethnographic objects related to the work of the file and the grades of the region and some archaeological pieces of ceramics. Number 3. Who is the director or administrator of the Museo Etnográfico El Tablón? It's administered by Mr. Pedronel Bravo Buchele, who has been able to have the knowledge about topics such as tourism and museums, what is seen in the vocabulary, public management, and basic care that is taken with the collection. The next is the figure La Shakira. Where is the figure La Shakira located? It's located only 4.5 kilometers from the urban area of San Agustin. On the site is La Shakira, a figure of a woman carved on a large rock with her arms raised, looking towards the east of the canyon. Number 2. Besides the figure like Shakira, what other elements could we find? You can also find different reliefs and petroglyphs that represent human faces and apparently animal figures. Number 3. What was the purpose of this particular place? Apparently, the purpose of the place was to be a center for astronomical observations, primarily of the sun, which helped determine the agricultural calendar. The next is the Museo Luis Duque Gomez. Number 1. When did the Museo Luis Duque Gomez open? The museum was opened to the public in December 2014. Margarita Reyes was in charge of the coordination, drafting of the script and curatorship. Catalina Cavalli was attending, Carlos Betancourt and Nadia Wakaneme was designing the museographic and assembly, and the graphic design was done by Jose Guillo Alvarez. Number 2. Why the name of the Museo Luis Duque Gomez? It's named after the distinguished Colombian archaeologist and academic Luis Duque Gomez, who lived from 1996 to 2000. Number 3. How many thematic codes we see? In the new museum, 9 thematic spaces were defined, framed by the geography of the Colombian Massif, which are a large territory, the Macizo Colombiano, inhabiting and connecting the territory, 5 monumental traces and great civilizations in Colombia, beings of water, the jungle and the mountain in the statuary of the Alto Magdalena, felines, monkeys or lizards, stone lizards, reptiles, and amphibians, interpretations about the vestige of the past, ceramics and periods, how people live in the past. It also has an auditorium, a library, and a temporary exhibition hall. Thank you for watching and see you later.